The National Kaohsiung University of Hospitality and Tourism was founded in 1995. It was the first academic institute of hospitality and tourism in Taiwan and is a leading center in its field.
那高雄餐饮大学是成立啊，它有它很重要的一个时代的背景，因为在民国84年时代，因为我们整个的社会环境啊，以及我们整个的一个人民的收入啊，都大幅的成长啊，因此呢，服务业，尤其是餐旅这个行业呢，也受到政府的重视。因此，我们在思考怎么样能够成立一所专门的学校，能够对产业界提供一些有素质这些学生能够满足业界的要求。 所以，国立高雄餐旅管理专科学校就成立了。这个政府的教育政策以及产业的需求所共同塑造、所打造起来的这么样一个有远见、有发展性的一个专门学府。
Walking through the campus is like walking through an outdoor art gallery in miniature. A series of enchanting scenes is created by lawns, tree-lined avenues, and buildings covered with the greenery of climbing plants. From the very start, the design focus of the school was one of softness. The ideal of foliage and flowers all year round, a typical southern scene of lotus flowers and the shade of coconut trees, creates a campus rich in cultural flavor. There is a special area where VIPs and dignitaries from Taiwan and abroad have planted trees. The fountain and sculptures depicting the lithe human physique in front of the administration building imply the beauty of friendship in the hospitality and tourism industry. These uniquely ingenious sculptures fill a public space with artistic creativity, bringing aesthetics and culture to students, teachers, and local residents alike. The school insists on students wearing a uniform, as it hopes to foster a sense of respect and a positive attitude. It also furthers a sense of belonging to the school. The laurel green blazer represents the school's image of taking a broad view and outstanding innovation. This is also the color of the school's logo. The new school logo integrates brand image. The laurel leaves symbolizing reverence, and the ribbon representing infinite possibility, fully embody the school's ideal as an institute of hospitality and tourism education, based in Taiwan, but looking out to the world.
在这种以服务业为主的这个人才培育当中呢，我们有一个很重要的一个思考，就是怎么样培养一个学生呢，能够有敬业、乐群的工作精神，热爱他的工作，热忱对人，这也是我们所讲的。 要自尊自重啊，这个谦虚务实宏观啊，这样子的人格特质。所以，怎么样训练学生与生活结合，培养他的一个良好的工作态度，打造他这种人格特质，替产业界培养优秀的人才，这是我们一贯的初衷，也是我们学校基本的精神。
The Foodways route, located in the public space on the first floor of Professional Building, has a vivid entrance design. With its roots in Taiwanese food culture, but linked to global food culture, agricultural history and the food culture of different parts of the world are introduced by means of multimedia interactive exhibits. Adjacent to this classroom is Asia's first professional aroma room. In the oval aroma room, students perfect their olfactive emeries by perceiving the standard aromas spread out from large clay bowls. Wine tasters, baristas, tea connoisseurs, and other professionals can be trained here. The first professional campus wine cellar in Taiwan is situated here. It enjoys automatic humidity control and meets the requisite standard in its facilities for teaching about global wines. It is sponsored by famous wineries, which provide top-quality French wines and champagnes worth millions of dollars every year for specific use on the school's professional wine education course. Taiwan's first specialized wine tasting classroom boasts state-of-the-art equipment. The air is circulated and filtered every 8 minutes, which is one of the requisite standards for learning the smell, analysis, and color of wine and other drinks. Elite House has 17 training guest rooms, including 2 model teaching guest rooms, 1 VIP suite, and 1 guest room for the disabled, wherein students of the Department of Hotel Management can actually host and serve guests. This is not an overseas games arcade, but the school's Gaming Research Center. The current gaming teaching facilities are diverse and complete, providing a professional learning environment for training gamers. Every department in the school has its own virtual classrooms. For example, the Department of Airline and Transport Service Management has 2 aircraft mock-up classrooms with ground service counter simulators, providing students with a realistic study environment. The integration of theory and practice is one of the key characteristics of the school. The multifunction Teaching Bakery and Cafe, the Appreciation Bakery, the First Situation Teaching Bakery in Taiwan, and Cafe Joy also help the students to make their dreams a reality. Tourism requires a cultural context coupled with good packaging and marketing in order to create the economic values of the industry. The National Kaohsiung University of Hospitality and Tourism is made up of 4 specialist colleges, 2 large centers, and a college of continuing education. The School of Hospitality Management is founded on the needs of the hospitality industry. An integrated team based on the hospitality industry has been established in order to attain the development vision of plowing the local land. The School of Tourism is oriented towards practical research. It combines information technology, coupled with the specialist fields of transportation, leisure, and airline services, nurturing specialists with theoretical and practical training. The School of Culinary Arts focuses on specialist culinary education, following the principles of technique and art, while maintaining a global view. The school nurtures specialists with culinary technique, administration management, and creativity. The International College aims to implement the school's international hospitality education, provide a complete program of effective learning relevant to all areas of the hospitality industry, and to train competitive hospitality professionals with a world view. In order to reach the learning target of seamless connection, juniors all undertake internships for 1 year, working in businesses such as travel agencies, airlines, hotels, and restaurants. Seniors study towards credits in foreign visitor seminars, actually applying their acquired specialist knowledge and broadening their worldview. The General Education Center, which was established with the goal of holistic education. The Teacher Education Center, which provides the upper hand to hospitality and tourism teachers. And the College of Continuing Education, which promotes lifelong learning, all enrich the educational tapestry of the National Kaohsiung University of Hospitality and Tourism. The characteristic and professionalism of each college is integrated under the educational goal of humanity, professionalism, entrepreneurship, and internationalization.
国立高雄餐旅大学100学年度新生开学暨拜师感恩典礼，仪归。
在服务业里面很重要一个人格特质，就要懂得感恩跟感谢。因此，我们把毕业典礼叫做感谢恩师，祝福学生，我们叫做谢师祝望典礼，就是我们所谓的毕业典礼。我们对我们的开学典礼我们叫做拜师感恩之典礼。如果能够把这样子的一个情操培养落实在他们生活教育里面，我相信对他们后来从事服务行业、对职场上去是有一个非常决定性的一个影响。我们10几年走下来都非常的成功，这也是为什么我们学生到社会去之后都得到社会人士的一个喜爱，得到了很大的一个回响。我想这是我们觉得非常有意义的一个典章、一个制度。
The school leads the cutting edge of Taiwan's tourism industry by adopting a global view and engaging in pragmatic communication. We can see the infinite possibilities and hopes of Taiwan's hospitality and tourist industry in the happy smiles and confident expressions of our students.